Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna perform some amazing experiments. Let's start. Experiment number 1 is effect of temperature on diffusion. Take 2 glass beakers. Pour hot water in one beaker and cold water in the other beaker. Now add some drops of blue ink in both of waters and observe carefully. What do you observe? You can see that in hot water the speed of diffusion is greater than that of cold water. Due to rise in temperature, the kinetic energy of molecules increases, hence the speed of diffusion increases. Before proceeding further, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can easily receive further updates. My second experiment is water transpiration. For this purpose, take 200 ml of water in a beaker, add red food color and mix it properly. Take any kind of leaf with a leaf stalk from a plant and put it into the beaker. Let it for 24 hours and after 24 hours observe it very carefully. What do you see? You can see that the red color veins appear. This red color in the leaf shows that water has moved upward from the leaf stalk to the upper parts of the leaf, which shows that transpiration occurs. The next experiment is lipstick flowers. For this purpose, take some water in a bowl, ignite your lighter and start burning the lipstick. When this melted lipstick falls down on the surface of water just like a splash of liquid, the water cools down that splash quickly and hence it appears like a flower on the surface of water. I hope you enjoyed the information. We'll meet in the next video. Keep supporting me. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.